start with our award ceremony. I would like to call upon stage the management to present the awards. And next award, someone who consistently shines through their performance and sets a great example for others. The Shining Star Award. And this goes to Jatin Thakur. Next we have, these are the people who deliver exceptional work quietly without seeking the spotlight, our silent performers. So the winners are Pradeep and Hariom. Who always brings fresh ideas and creative solutions to the table.
One more wait.
The Innovative Thinker Award. And the award goes to Ujjwal. And this person does it all flawlessly. The winner is Upakshi. Unfortunately, she's not with us, but yes, this had to be announced. Next we have, for those who go above and beyond, showing true dedication and commitment, the Dedicated Performer Award. And the award goes to Abhishek and Kanika Sachdeva. Into a leadership role and guiding others along the way. This is Emerging Leader Award and the award goes to Animesh. Next, for leaders who don't just focus on today but have a clear vision for the future. The award is Visionary Leader and the award goes to Anshul Sir and Akshay Sharma. Targets, challenges, deadlines. For this person, everything is achievable. The award is Ace Achiever Award and the award goes to Sarita Rana. Someone who not only excels but also helps others grow and succeed. The award is Best Mentor Award and the award goes to Vishal Dhiman. A true team player who believes in collaboration and growing together. The award is Best Team Player and the award goes to Arun. A leader who motivates, supports and brings out the best in their team. Best Team Leader Award. And the award goes to Narendra Sir. He's again not present with us, but still should be recognized. Next we have always ready, always dependable, someone who can count on any time. The award is Ever Ready Performer and the award goes to Chandra Sir. The most awaited award of the evening, Employee of the Year Award. This goes to someone who has delivered outstanding performance throughout the year. Any guesses, guys? The award goes to Anil sir. Be it day or night, they are always there when needed. Any guesses? Yes, it's the Lee team. May I please have Chandra sir, Ujjwal, Kanika and Agrima on the stage. Everyone who is a part of this amazing journey. हर एक effort matter करता है, and each one of you contributes to the success of this organization.
I guess we are left with somebody or not. Can you announce the award?
The award is Excellence in Integrity Award.
Stand for?
This award goes to someone who consistently upholds honesty, ethics, and strong values.
And who is the someone now? So, this award goes to our HR, Devakshi.
Performance award, and it goes to our very handsome hums, the Bhangra boys. Please come on stage, guys.
Everybody knows it, bro.
CEO sir. Give a big round of applause, everyone.
Alright, so how are you guys? Good, bad? Okay, so do you like the party that we have done today, like a pool party, and then we are staying at the place of like in between the mountains today, right? And this is because of whom? I must say this is because of you guys, right? Because you are the frontier thing that deals with the client. And we are showing the trust in you because we are like just take the client and we give it to you. So that trust is very important, correct? Yes, no? Yes, sir. So to maintain that trust, you need to do the next level things. I must say not next level, but the thing is like whatever you are doing, it has to be in a perfection way, right? So that there would be no delays, there would be no kind of hindrance between the clients and us. Because actually, who is a role model? Role model is our client. What they like, what they don't like, right? We need to work on those things. And today, like people got awards. And there is a story behind, whole story behind a year for these awards. And the evaluation based on those things only, correct? So you need to do whatever it takes to maintain your, only maintain your clients, right? Then I'll come to the projects. But mainly the client is important aspect for now. And as we are moving towards the AI age now, right? So you guys are getting the videos and reels. People are laying off, right? Amazon lays 30,000 sources, right? But what I say is, the people who is doing the layoff, they are just doing the layoff because of the rigidity, right? Rigidity means like the persons are not able to adapt the new era, right? So we need to ensure if something is new in the market, we need to learn very quickly so that we will be with the pace of the market, correct? So you need to ensure this thing to me. Like you are going to do all the like latest practice and do the work with the honor sheet, which is a kind of request or an order from a CEO perspective. So you need to do the things which is accountable, and you need to have everything that related to the clients. You need to understand those things. Okay? So, and I would like to thank everyone who's sitting over here. And today, where I am, or we, right? Nishant sir, we, right? It is just because of like few people, our family, like you are our family too, right? So, but yes, there is somebody also from whom I'll take the inspiration. I'll do my work. When I got stuck, I'll sit around and thought what that person mentioned if he starts somewhere. So that's my father actually, right? He's not today here, but yes, he's in my heart. But I must say, like, he's a real rock star who made a new rock star like me, right? So you guys need to praise your parents. That's it. So do whatever it takes, but when you do a work, right, think about your parents first. Would they allow to do me this thing or not? If you are doing something wrong or right, then you will correct automatically. So it's a very connecting line. Who those connected with me right now? So value your parents. Those are like precious assets, right? So I would like to call my mom on stage today because she is like God to me now, right? And yeah, whatever I am today, I am with like because of her blessing and my father inspiration. Okay, so yeah, I'll end up over here. So mom, can you come to the stage for me? So now what should I say now? I just need to do one thing. Okay, so last but not the least, right? I am having three more precious persons in my life, my wife, my sister, and I do have a father also, a father figure, right? So my Jiju, can you please come to the stage and give your blessings to me so that I can go like this.
Yeah, sure. Definitely.
Nishant sir, you can also come to the stage with me. Thank you guys. Your support is always with me, so I can jump anywhere. So thank you so much. All right. So okay. So for 2026 and 2027, right? We need to ensure three things. First thing is adaptability. Second thing is accountability, and third thing is rewarding. Rewarding will be on us, but these first two things it depends on you. And we do have our CA also here, so that she can also maintain the finance accordingly, right ma'am? So we want to give like 3x to them, 4x, whatever we'll take, right? But we need to make sure, you guys need to make sure like you will be accountable, eligible, and then earn it. Alright, so I'm handing over this mic to Nishant sir to say a few words to you, but yes, this is only my expectation from you. Thank you so much. How are you? How was today? So enjoyed? Good. That needs to be there, actually. Hello ma'am. How are you? So very warm welcome to our guest, Auntie, Jiju, Didi, Auntie, Uncle, and our CA ma'am. So thank you for coming here. And this is our 7th year. So we are going ahead. This is one more milestone that we have completed. And this is because of you actually, the team members who we have, the team members who is working with us from last 7 years. And now you all are going to be a part of JC for next 1 year. That means you all are going to work with JC for next 1 year. But we need some promise from your side actually. We need promise that you will just, like what he said, adaptability, accountability, and the client centricity. The client centricity is very important for us this time. And like the AI part that he talks about, AI, this is important, but what I am saying is, this is important for what? AI makes by us, ChatGPT made by us, but don't be a part of ChatGPT completely. What I'm saying is, don't be a part of ChatGPT completely. Take some references, take some suggestions from ChatGPT or AI, but do not be a doll of AI, right? So think in that way, and yeah, that's it. And one more thing that I want to congratulate or thank you for all the team members who participated here, all the team members who take part, and yeah, that's it.
It's truly great hearing from you guys. So guys, now celebration बिना केक के अधूरा होता है, right? So let's invite our leadership team on the stage for the cake cutting ceremony.